Hello there business owners, Simon here, and today we're talking about something that's super important with your business, communicating with your clients. Now these days, social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp are the go-to channels for customer communication. Did you know that Facebook has a strict policy limiting the time businesses can reach out or respond to a client to just 24 hours? Talk about a ticking time bomb. So how do you make sure you respond to all those leads coming in without blowing up your business? Keep watching to find out. Facebook's 24-hour rule means you have only 24 hours to respond to a client's message. If you don't respond within that time frame, you won't be able to send a free-form message to that customer again until they initiate a new conversation. This helps businesses avoid spamming their customers with unwanted messages and provides them with more control over their messaging experience on Meta platforms. Although the 24-hour rule exists across every social media channel under the Facebook family of apps, its guidelines vary depending on the platform. Now, if you don't respond to a client's message within 24 hours, you'll lose the ability to send them free-form messages until they reach out to you again. That's not good for your business. Imagine a client reaches out to you to express interest in a product or service, but you fail to respond within 24 hours. As a result, they lose interest and send a message to your competitor instead, potentially leading to a lost sale or a negative customer experience. Now, you don't want that, do you? Plus, a failure to comply with the 24-hour rule policies could result in your account being disabled or even a complete ban from using the Meta instant messaging platforms. But fear not, my friends, there's a solution. It's called Kommo, and it has a 24-hour message rule reminder bot template. You can set up an alert for any communication channel to notify you when it's been nearly 24 hours since you last responded to a client's message. Here's how it works. The chatbot monitors your messages, detects when your team hasn't responded in 23 hours, and sends a notification to your sales team reminding them that the 24-hour window is closing. The sales team can then follow up with the client and continue the conversation before the time is up. And the best part, you can set it up in under 5 minutes. No coding skills required. The visual builder allows you to drag and drop elements to easily customize your chatbot, and the pre-built templates provide a quick and easy starting point. If you want to learn more about our sales bot, check out this video. Alright, now let the fun begin. It's time to customize our chatbot template. To kickstart the process, go to Settings, Communication Tools, and click Create a New Bot. Here we have to select the Get Notified when it will be 24 hours since a client replied template. Now change the condition to If Answer Status equals Unanswered, and click Save and Continue. You can see here that the pre-selected trigger is set to 23 hours after the last message is received in any channel. If you want to choose a specific channel, scroll all the way to the bottom and choose any channel you want to use for it. We'll do Instagram this time. Okay, brilliant, that's done. And that's it. Now you can start providing personalized and timely messaging without worrying about the 24-hour Facebook policy ever again. Set up the Kommo ready-to-use 24-hour message rule reminder bot template today by signing up for a 14-day free trial. Go to the description box below to find out more details. Okay, that's it for today, folks. Stay compliant, stay connected, and stay awesome. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.